G'day, here's a parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules in millimetres and the material's been wetted. I'll zoom in a little bit so you can get a better look. Okay, I've zoomed in. Haven't moved any of the pieces so you can get an idea of what's what. Don't forget you can stop the video at any time. Pick up a few pieces to give you an idea of what's in the parcel. I don't know how much of that one's clay. You don't get much blacker than that, the potch. This is a vertical seam. It's been in the ground that way. Cracks through here. Opal's formed. It's actually been in the ground like that. See the seams running across there. Some vibrant blues in here. Lots of small pieces. Just quickly going through these. Some are better than others, which is not part of the course. Some of the smaller pieces. Anyway, I think that gives you a bit of an idea. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.